Hey everybody, Brice with Central Florida Dent Repair back again to do a tool review slash demo for the latest and greatest from Stanliner tools. This is the Raised Snake collection here. This is actually the 40-inch version, half-inch diameter. This head design here is actually for moving just lots of metal really quickly and cleanly. You can either use this as a dragger from the back side of the panel or just a regular pusher. Phenomenal for hail or minor collision, however you prefer using it. It's going to make a world of difference in your PDR career for sure. So take a look at the video and you be the judge. Okay, so here we have a Porsche with the headlight out, and we needed to create a leverage point because, as you know, these things are wide open on the inside there, and it's just really hard to get good leverage as well as trying to snake around some of the electronics that are in there. As you could see, this moose knuckle here actually works phenomenal just for that. And this raised snake tool here is actually bent to just the right angles to snake in there, no pun intended. And as you can see, the build quality is absolutely phenomenal on these tools. They're all handmade by Kazimierz himself. And so this thing slips in there really nicely, as you can see. And we are just going to get started on this dent repair. So we're basically going to start pushing with the wide face of this tool here, and you can see the pushes are just nice and big, and I'm actually dragging this tool, as you can see, and I'm just kind of pulling it towards me with some pressure applied at the same time, and it makes for an outstanding finish in the end. Less cross-checking, you're moving metal a lot cleaner and faster in the process. And in my opinion, it's just the way metal should be moved. This is the way PDR should be taught from the get-go. I've always found that using metal on metal with larger tips just produces a better end result. Time is money, and what was once 50 pushes with a sharp tool is now cut down to one large push or one sweep with one of these tools down to one push. And the results just speak for themselves. And it's pretty much common sense when you think about it. You are essentially matching up the damage with the corresponding tool tip and applying whatever technique you prefer, whether it's dragging, blending, or just regular standard run-of-the-mill pushing. You will notice a big difference in your speed and quality through the use of these tools over time, for sure. I know for me, over the last year and a half of just experimenting with the different tooling and techniques, that I've actually become more excited about PDR than ever. And I'm really excited to see what they have in store for the future. So when you have a second, head over to stanlinertools.com. You can check this tool out. This is the half-inch diameter, 40-inch length, broad-headed snake raised neck tool. Thanks for watching.